Hello students, today I am going to explain you lesson number 4. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. In this para, little monkey wants to be a bigger and a stronger animal. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic band, she says, and all your wishes can come true. In this paragraph, one wise woman hears means उसने सुना, and take this band, she says, and all your wishes came true. Then the wise woman said to monkey that take this magic band and all your wishes can come true. Wishes मतलब जो भी इच्छा है वो पूरी होगी. A giraffe came by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the tree. Here she came to the giraffe and stretched his long neck and eat sweet leaves at the top of the tree. I want a long neck, says little monkey. Oh, little monkey says that what he wants? He wants the long neck. Who has a long neck? Giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck. So, monkey said, this is the monkey. Monkey said that I want a long neck like a giraffe. Because giraffe can eat the sweet leaves at the top of the tree. So, I also can eat the sweet leaves. His neck grows long just like giraffes. Little monkey is happy. Then after his wishes come true, his neck is long like a giraffe and he is going to be happy. An elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. Want to do that too, say little monkey Pang. Then after he sees that the elephant comes down to the river and he can fills the water into his trunk. Means कि elephant पानी में जाके अपनी trunk में पानी भर सकता है and he blew it all over himself. So वो पूरा पानी आजू बाजू अपने उड़ा सकता है. So he wants to be trunk like the monkey wants the trunk like to be elephant. Just that grows a trunk. Then the little monkey get the trunk like elephant. Here it is. First of all he gets the neck like a giraffe. Then after he wants the trunk like elephant and he get it. He is very happy. This is a fun, he says. What he says that I am very happy and it's very funny. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want strips like those, he says. Wish. What did he want now? He wants the strips like zebra. A little monkey has strips all over his body just like the zebra. He is very happy. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks down. He sees himself in the water. Then after, when little monkey gets the strips like zebra, he gets very happy because he got all over his body the strips like a zebra. Then after he goes to the river and he look himself into the water. And mother, he cries, help, a monster. That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you. And then after when he looks himself into the river, he cries and says to his mother that mother, here is the monster. Monster means एक भयानक प्राणी. And that is not a monster, says his mother. That's you. And his mother said him that it's you, it's not the monster. You want a giraffe snake, you want a giraffe neck, an elephant's trunk, and the stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? When he scared, his mother said him that's you want the giraffe snake, elephant's trunk, and the stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? Remember means क्या याद नहीं है आपको? A little monkey cries and cries. I look hoof. He says, little monkey says, I look hoof means भयंकर लगना. I want to be myself again. There is a pop, a bang, and a whiz. A little monkey is himself again. He jumped for joy. And then after, little monkey is again himself and is happy with himself. He throws the magic band into the river. He never wants to by anyone else. Then after, little monkey threw the magic band into the river and he never wants to be anyone else again. Thank you.